I guess sneeze. Yahoo!
I'm worried you're going to get big-headed now after they give you a...
Yahoo! Oh. They give me this book, and it tells you like all the different islands to go to. So when I come back, Yahoo! Hopefully we're not with a cold. I know exactly where to go. We used to have one of these books in our family.
Wow, I am worried about you.
For the Maldives.
Where are we going
to sneeze. Yeah! Oh, sorry. Oh.
I'm not like one to usually buy lip glosses and nail stuff, but I think I might wear it because it's Tanya's.
Thanks, Joe. Isn't he a sweetie? Yeah, but I just want to thank all of you guys for all of your amazing tweets and messages because it just makes me smile, makes me so happy. That's alright, Joe. Bless you.
Sorry, Tanya.
Bless you.